Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing lawnmower racing. I thought these things were go-karts, but nah, upon further investigation, these things are, Jesus, look at y'all. The lawnmowers. But we're doing lawnmower figure eights. And Jesus, wish me luck. Touch controls, because it's just easy to record. Sometimes I just hate setting up the controller to record. Gotta turn on Bluetooth, and now I just want to just jump straight in. I gotta post my phone up on something. I don't get the full effect, you know? So here we are with the touch controls. Say we're doing okay. We're up to 15th. Lawnmowers are just flying everywhere. They seem to not do so good in the turns. Wait till this intersection comes into play. Oh, the bear trying to take me out. Get out of here. Oh, Jesus. Take somebody else out. Oh, back on the track. Oh, the intersection. Lawnmowers flying, bodies flying. This is great. Another one right there. Oh. Touchy on the turns. It's cool. Shovel head. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, gotta watch out for him in these turns. Oh, come on. Oh, he's almost dead. Ah! I'm dead. Oh, yeah, see? He's turning out. Yeah, it's hard to turn these lawnmowers. Get it in a straight line, you're good though. Go up to 8th. It's the last lap though. I didn't realize that. Can we clutch up? We got Shovelhead as the winner. Oh boy, oh, whoa, finish line. Crazy ending, I got 9th. Okay, now, the next one is gonna be great. At least, I'm thinking it is, so hold on. Okay, we're still at Kingston Raceway, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna start off in last. Try and make this a little fair. A little last to first challenge here. And they just can't turn. Look at them all resetting. Oh man, come on! I wanted to like run all of y'all over. Oh, maybe I can get him. No, I can't. Couldn't turn in time. Oh, got him though. Who are you? Oh, I'm currently just sitting on loose cannon. Okay, there he goes. Let's go. Oh, the intersection already coming into play. I'm 20th. I'm not doing so hot, but bam! Get out of here, bandit. Look at him still resetting. Jesus, don't reset. Let me just run y'all over. Oh, look at him over here though. Bam. Just destruction. Oh, brute force. Almost was bad news right there, buddy. Might have been bad news anyways. I think he just took himself out. Okay, up to 9th. Lap 3. Oof, clear through the intersection. No, Smokey. Smokey gets a good clean pass on me. We'll just run him high. Get out of here. Ah, slingshot. Yo, dang. Strong little guy. Ow. Okay, reset. Yo, these lawnmowers, they're stronger than what you think. Caveman Mike. Frosty is gonna go ahead and win it. Stewie, shout out Stewie. Stewie the Gamer, check him out. He also does Wreckfest content. And finish line. That's funny. He does Wreckfest content as I'm currently making a project. Yo, shout out Stewie. It's good, bro. I'll definitely hit you up after I'm done recording and everything. Anyways, we got, what we get, 8th, did it say? We leveled up. I got the Sunrise Super. Look at me just destroying people still in the background. Okay, dope. That's what's up. Gives me a whole bunch of parts. Level 30. Let's go. Alright, like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit that like and sub. Definitely let me know. That'll definitely help me out. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one. Peace.